Going through some spark plugs for the pickup, and I found this this beauty right here. I don't know if you can see right there, the center post is off center, but it's not broken, which is very strange. You can see the burn pattern around it where it's been combusting on one side, but the gap in here is too small for it to fully combust. And if you spin it, the back of it is bent in the other direction. It's like bent like a banana. Looks like it was this way from the factory, and I guess it worked, but kind of want to cut apart, see what's going on with this thing. It's Autolite double platinum, so it wasn't cheap. I guess whoever bought it just decided to run with it. Let's see what's inside. Alright, see if I can capture this without dying. Alright. Off-centerness of it. Looks okay. Safety glasses. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that'll help. It's a little closer. New tip. Ooh, it's hot. Cute there. I'm not exactly sure how far they press that in. Probably pretty far. So, a little further out, I guess. Let's see what. See. It was the ceramic. I'm thinking maybe a file or something to get the rest of that off. So I don't think the lathe is going to cut into that very well. I guess it could cut into the hexagonal part, but that's a little rougher. Yeah, let me just file that. See if I can get that center out of there. Alright, here we are. Let's see if I can get this a little closer maybe. Filed the little ring off. I haven't looked inside this yet. Oh yeah. Unbroken. Unbroken banana plug. That's just incredible. So you got like a little lot number inside of there. Now I got an anti-foul bung, right? Just thread that sucker. Just adjust that and weld a new thing on it maybe. Shoot it out of there like a rocket. Yeah. First time I've done that. That's pretty cool. Back in the day, you used to get spark plugs you could take apart, but yeah, that practice ended long ago. I guess it's just steel on steel in there, or ceramic on steel. Cool. Yeah, I guess it kind of only fits in the one way. Banana plug. That's pretty awesome.